Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. If you are a freelance writer, chances are that you've been asked to write articles and you've been asked to write blog posts. But are these two things really that different? If you are assigned to do one or the other, how do you adjust your writing? The most notable difference between an article and a blog post is the presence or absence of personal opinion. The purpose of an article is to relay facts. The author does not express any views or pass any judgments about those facts. The article simply passes on information to the reader. A blog, on the other hand, serves as the commentary of the author or the company the author is writing for. Almost all blog posts do include facts of one kind or another, but they also include an interpretation or opinion about those facts. Where an article about alcohol addiction might talk about the science behind addiction, side effects, and withdrawal, a blog post might relate some personal stories or opinions about alcohol addiction. An article about a new computer might delve into the specs and features of the computer, whereas a blog post could talk about the advantages and disadvantages of computers in the modern age. Whether you are writing a blog post or an article can drive several factors, such as the length and tone of the piece, the amount and depth of research needed, and how SEO is used. When you are writing for a client, it is important to know upfront exactly what is being requested. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.